Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the actual Chrome.exe location so you don't chase phantom shortcuts. Open File Explorer and navigate to C /program files /Google /Chrome /application. Confirm Chrome.exe is present. Once done, right-click and choose Properties to check the exact path shown in location and confirm your user account has read and execute permission. If permissions are missing, elevate to an admin account and grant access. This prevents broken shortcuts from failing silently when the binary is inaccessible. Now recreate the shortcut properly so Windows points to the right binary. Right-click Chrome.exe and choose Create Shortcut. Move that shortcut to Desktop or Start menu as needed. Then right-click the shortcut, open Properties, and confirm the target field exactly matches the Chrome.exe full path. Include quotes if there are spaces. Make sure Start and points to the application folder. If Chrome needs elevation for your setup, toggle Run as administrator under Compatibility. Once configured, test launch the shortcut to confirm it opens correctly. Finish by testing and pinning the working shortcut so you won't lose it again. Launch Chrome from your recreated shortcut. Once it opens, right-click its taskbar icon and choose Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. If it still fails to launch, reset Windows File Associations for LNK or reinstall Chrome. Reinstall won't remove your profile unless you delete user data. If Chrome.exe is absent or altered, check your antivirus quarantine first. Restore or whitelist Chrome.exe before reinstalling to avoid repeated removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.